everybody, and welcome to the McCall's kitchen. My name is Elisha. I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and we are here today to make a really fun summer birthday cake together. We've got the brand new McCall's sprinkle collection with us. These are their all new 6mm colored sprinkles. There's so many beautiful colors. We've got peach, purple, green, pink, and I'm going to be using these all on my cake today. I've got this really beautiful peach color that I made using the McCall's buttercream and their pink and orange colors. So let's get started on this beautiful cake that we're going to create today. So today I want to make a fault line cake with you all, and if you haven't seen one of those before, it's pretty much where the center of the cake has an object or it has something like sprinkles stuck to it. So how we're going to do that is we've got our cake here that has already been chilled. This is a 6-inch cake that's been crumb coated with the McCall's buttercream, and now I'm going to take some of my mixed buttercream right here to start to stick some of the sprinkles on before we go and cover our whole cake. This is going to take a little bit of time, but you guys have to be patient with me today because it's going to look so good at the end. And we're going to go in with our sprinkles now. Now you can use a tweezer or you can use your fingers to place the sprinkles. I'm just going to go in with my fingers, but we're really just going to start with any color. You're just going to grab different colors and we're going to place them. As you can tell, it is a little bit of a slow process, like I mentioned, but it's going to be so worthwhile at the end. I'm just going to go in and fill this all up, and we'll come back when we're almost done putting our fault line all together. And we are back with our finished fault line. So as you can see, there's a lot of intricate detail that went into this, but it's so worth it. We're gonna go in now and we're gonna cover our cake and we're gonna smooth it all out. So for this, you're gonna need a piping bag, and because we're gonna be using a piping bag, we're gonna have more control of where our buttercream is going so that we can make sure that our sprinkle fault line is still showing through. So this part is really easy. You're just gonna poke a small hole and we're gonna start going around our cake. And we're just gonna keep going up and then pay close attention to when we get close to our fault line and how we're gonna go with the buttercream when we get close to that. This was definitely worth the wait. I absolutely love how the sprinkles are all shining through. I'm gonna pop this into the fridge to chill for a little bit and then we'll be back to finish off the final decoration. Now that we have our chilled cake, we're just gonna go in and spaz it up a little bit more. We have a piping bag with the same buttercream we were using before, and I put an open star tip on it because I want to make some swirls on top. We'll add a little bit more sprinkles, and then we've got these happy birthday candles to finish off our birthday cake. Alright, and now I kind of feel like adding some sprinkles in the center, so I'm going to take all the colors that we have here and I'm going to make a sprinkle center. The last touch that I'm going to add to my cake is actually some gold foil. So I'm going to concentrate some gold foil along the line here to give it more of a sparkle. We hope you enjoyed watching this fault line cake come together today using all new McCall's summer sprinkles. I absolutely loved how the colors all came together. And we also went in and added that gold, like I mentioned, and these happy birthday candles from McCall's because it is a birthday cake. And I honestly just can't get over how nice the sprinkles pop on the vault line. If you haven't tried this before, make sure you do give this a try after watching this video, and we'd love to see your creations. Make sure to tag myself at Fiorella Bake Shop and at McCall's so that we can see everything that you guys make. Make sure to subscribe. Father's Day is right around the corner and we have some fun content coming, and we'll see you back very soon.